if you have been looking for how you can set up a YouTube channel in 2026, or how you can create a professional YouTube channel, this is the best video for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can set this up easily. Let's call this a beginner's guide, and also with professional touch from A to Z. If you are new here, welcome to Ytech Consult. This channel is dedicated to helping small content creators to grow successfully on YouTube with practical strategies, channel growth tips, and other proven ways to grow faster without wasting time. If this sounds like something you want for your channel, go ahead and subscribe below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with how to create a Gmail account if you don't have any Gmail account, and I will do that by also going to youtube.com. so let's quickly do that. So as you can see on my screen here, I have youtube.com here. Just go to youtube.com. If you already have a Gmail account, you're going to see your Gmail account here and create a channel. But if you don't have a Gmail account, then you are going to see sign in. So all you need to do from here is to click on sign in. Don't worry, if you don't have any Gmail account on your laptop or your phone, you can just follow this guide. Now, instead of signing in, just go to create account. So we want to create a Gmail account, so you can select either for personal use or for work or my business. So let's click for personal use. So you need to give it your name, or you can brand it like a little bit of your channel name, but your name is okay. Let's say Jenny Anderson. So let's assume that's your name. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to ask you the month, day, and year. Let's assume we pick 8, let's say February 1980. So now, gender, either male, female, or you can say rather not so. So I'm going to pick male, because then you click on next. Now the next thing is going to ask you is to form a Gmail address. It can probably even give you suggestions. So you can form a Gmail address. Let's say Jenny1243@gmail.com. You can just put Jenny123, then click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to probably create your account and ask you to put in password, and that is all. So once you are able to sign in to your account, then the next thing is to go back to the same youtube.com, and this time right now you are not going to see sign in again. You are going to see your account, something like this. So you're going to see create a channel. So just click on this, create a channel. Once you click on create a channel, it's going to take you to the next page where you need to put in your name and the handle, the link, the handle of your YouTube, which is usually link. So you don't necessarily to select a picture right now. Just put in the name of your YouTube channel and the handle. Now this is where it gets more interesting. Now, you know, as a professional YouTube creator, you need a very unique name for your YouTube channel, right? So we are going to pause here a little, and we are going to find a good name suitable for our channel. So the first thing you need to do is to probably go to ChatGPT and ask. So now looking at a prompt here, which I'm going to use to generate a name for my channel. I said I want to model this channel and create video similar to it. Model is video title, video script writing, narration. Here's the name of the channel, the link to the channel, the description to the channel, the tags of the channel. Now, this will help you to create a very professional YouTube channel, because you know what you want to post, right? Maybe you want to do a Christian channel, or a true crime niche, or inspirational channel, or probably creator channel, whatsoever. You already have someone that is already doing it and is performing well. So now the first thing I'm going to do is to research about my competitor. Let's pick a niche. Let's assume my niche is a Christian channel. Then I can go to YouTube and search for now we're on youtube.com. Just come to this search bar here and write Christian let's try Christian channel or Christian niche. So just try something that comes to your head. Can you see we have some here? So we want to look at a channel that is doing well, this the Christian channel, and something that goes aligned with what you want to do. Let's say you want to post about preaching gospel and probably prayers or Bible verses. So let's assume Bible verses. So I'm going to type Bible verses. So we search for it. So just the idea of what you want to do, just keep searching for the idea. So you can do it like 3-4 times. So can you see I have a lot of videos here that they are doing well. So I'm going to pick one, this soap stream. Look at this, don't click on this video title. Look at the author, I mean the creator of this video. This one I have a Bible skips, and this one I have daily Bible. So let's go for this Bible skips. So you can open like 2-3 of them to see which one that's aligned with what you want to do. So you can keep going on. Can you see I have another one here and I have another one here, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to stick with one. So I have this person here. So I'm going to check the channel. The channel is doing well. Can you see not monetized? So which means this channel is not doing well. So I'm going to so you might not see not monetized on your own channel, but I have a software for that. So I'm going to pick daily Bible, this one, so which is another one. This is how you will search. So I'm going to pick this as my target, which is daily Bible YouTube. So check the channel. Can you see this one is monetized? I have a software for that, which I'm going to talk about in another video. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the name of the channel. Then I will copy the link to the channel, and I'll also check the description of the channel, which is this, the description of the channel, then the tags. Those are what I need. So I'm going to go back to my prompt here. Let's copy our prompts and go to ChatGPT, which is AI. Then I'm going to paste my prompts here. Can you see? Now what I need to do, can you see, here is the name of the channel that I want to model. So let's pick the name of the channel that I want to model, which is daily Bible YouTube, right? So we go back and paste that there. Can you see the magic? What's next? Here's the link to the channel. So I'm going to go back and pick the link to the channel. Here's the description to the channel. So I'm going to go back and copy the description to the channel. So expand this and copy this, everything there. But don't copy the person's number if the person's number is there. You can even stop here, but if you need the tags of the channel, so I'm going to quickly show you. Go to MW metadata, then copy the link of the channel and paste it there. So let's get a link of the channel, our competitor's channel, and I'll paste the link here to get the tag of that channel. So it's going to get me fetch the tag of the channel, which I'm going to use. So look at this, look at the tags here. Here are the tags. Can you see mattw.io YouTube metadata? That's the link. So it's on my browser here. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and paste everything there. Now I have everything I needed. So I'm going to hit send. Now this is going to give you suggestion, name suggestion, the description, and so can you see best choice, daily Bible inspiration. Starting from that, it's giving you other excellent options, daily scripture inspiration. This is how you can get a very good name. Although there are some of these names that might be on YouTube, that's why you are having another suggestion. Why I recommended daily Bible inspiration. Then this channel description, can you see? You already have your channel your channel description written for you. Then your channel tags. So can you see? You already have your channel tags. So you have the default upload settings, tags, and so on. We are going to use this to set up our channel. So what we are going to do is that let's assume we pick daily Bible inspiration. Just copy this then go here, paste the name here, then the handle will be at Daily Bible Inspiration. I hope you get it. So it's just like you type everything together and hit on create channel. Just create channel, ignore the select picture, just put the name and put the name again. It's going to tell you if the name is available, and that's it. So once you create your channel, the next thing is that we want to brand that channel, which I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to use a channel as an example. A channel, look at this channel. Let's go to settings. You will see that this channel is already branded. I'm going to go to channel, everything, the channel tags, everything is there. Upload default. So I use this same method to set up this channel. So if I go to customization, which is what we are going to do right now, customization. So now, once you create a channel, just go to studio.youtube.com. Studio.youtube. Let me type that in my browser. Studio.youtube.com. This is it. So just go here and it will take you to this page, your studio. Then at this left bar here, just click on customization. That's it. Your image will be empty here, and this will also be empty. So we need to create a profile image. And how do we do that? It's very simple and straightforward. We're going to do that. So before we create image, don't forget the description of your channel has been generated already. So come here, copy the description, everything up to this extent. Can you see? Ctrl C, copy it, and come here, then Ctrl A V. Can you see? You already have a channel description. I'm not going to save this, I'm just showing you. Then you can also customize a subscription link, like this one is at Powerful Bible Verses Pro. Question mark sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. So all you need to change here is to change it to the name of your own channel, which I'm going to show you right now. Your own channel now, for example, is Daily Bible Inspiration. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to just paste here just this. You can write out this link, then I will close the space. Can you see? This is your handle, for example. So now this is going to be your handle too, Daily Bible Inspiration. You can edit, even if you get the handle wrong, you can edit it and save, but you can't edit more than 2 times. This is already, someone is already using this, so you can just add pro to it. Can you see? It removes the error. So now here too will be pro, right? That's why you see that one that has pro, or any other thing you think of. So now you've already set up this. So now the profile picture and the banner is very important, right? So what we need to do is that I have a prompt too for that. Can you see? Channel profile image prompt. So can you see? It says write a channel profile image generation prompt for this channel name and niche. So we'll copy it and we go to ChatGPT, which is AI again. So you already have this, you already have your tags. I will show you how to use tags later. So you paste it and you give it your channel name, which is what? Daily Bible Inspiration. So let's get the channel name from our ChatGPT here, from our result here. So it's Daily Bible Inspiration, right? So you copy it and paste it. Then the niche is Christian niche, Christian Bible verses, because now what the query you use to get this competition is Bible verses. So Christian niche or Christian Bible verses niche. So let's send it. So it's going to start creating an image. Can you see? Can you see it? Now you know it's supposed to create image. It gave you the prompt because that is what I told you to do, so that I will understand what is going to create. I can edit and so on. So you can just tell it create the image. So it will continue from where you stop. Can you see how you can prompt and it will start creating the image? Now the same thing goes with your banner too. You know, your banner channel banner prompt too. You see, write a channel banner image. The only difference is that this one is write a channel profile image generation prompt. This one is write a banner image generation prompt. So you also do the same here and use that to generate a prompt. Let's see if our image is ready, and you see that it's going to give us something wonderful. Can you see? Daily Bible Inspiration, subscribe. Can you see? You don't need to stress yourself. It even give you two suggestions. So you will also use the same mechanism to create your channel banner, which I'm going to quickly go back and generate. Can you see channel banner, so that you see everything live in as I'm doing it. So you paste the now I said write a channel banner image. Now you have everything, and click on send to. It's going to generate text for you first, because I want the prompt first. So you can also, after generating prompt, you can now tell it to also create the image, create the banner image. So you can be specific like that. Create the banner image, and it's going to generate another image, which is banner, that you can use for your profile picture. So let's quickly download this one here. Let's download this one. Save image. I'm going to put EEE, something like that. So, and let's wait for this banner to be ready. So it's creating the banner image. So now I'm going to go back to our channel here. So I will change this profile image. You will see upload, you will not see change. So can you see? Done. Can you see? Very, very perfect. Can you see? So you also do the same for banner too. So you also click on change, and you change that too. So our banner is ready too. So can you see? Awesome. Very, very awesome. Can you see? Just save image as, you can save banner. So the same way we did for profile, we'll come here. Can you see? This is the banner image. You click on upload or change. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on this. So and done. There's a way you arrange this, but let's just keep it simple. So once you have everything, can you see everything is here? So you change this to your channel name, which is Daily Bible Inspiration, right? So make sure you do that. So I'm going to copy the channel name again. Let's quickly get the channel name here. So, and I'm going to put it here. So now let's check what we have done so far. Can you see? Our banner is there, our picture is there, the name of the channel is there, then the handle of the channel is Daily Bible Inspiration Pro, right? So the description is there already. This the channel link, Daily Bible Inspiration confirmation, subscribe, and so on. So then this one is not necessary, you can do it. It's just like customization. Then hit publish. So click on publish, and you'll be able to save this channel. So, but I'm not going to do that because this is an existing channel. I hope I'm able to show you how you can create a professional YouTube account or YouTube channel in 2026 in a very simple and easy way. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. If you don't understand anything, some things in this video, put it in the comment section, ask questions, and let's rub mind. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell. Peace.